Hello, hello, hello to whoever's gonna be watching this video. So I'm up and I can't sleep. And I've been experiencing this leak and it's time to fix it, okay? So I was watching the video. I watched it like 2 or 3 times before I attempted it, so do your studies before you attempt anything in a house. And also, I'm not a professional, but if it's something that's not harmful or deadly, you could do it yourself. So tonight I'm not gonna show y'all my bathroom because it's not cute, okay? But I am gonna try to tell y'all what I'm doing. So ladies, y'all might not know what this is, but I'm finna get ready to fix my tub that is basically, so it has been leaking. As you can see, my bathroom is very, very ugly, so don't judge. But yeah, I want to show y'all what I'm looking at real briefly. You know, just try to bear with me. As y'all can see, okay, so I just found out that the hot water, I replaced the washer down here, but this part up here has a crack in it, as you can see. Yeah, that need to be replaced, and I don't have any of those, so I will be paying True Value a visit today. But yeah, so y'all just gonna be with me today. Okay, I'm back in my bathroom. So basically I just put them back in there. The water is still shut off, but you still have little drips here and there. Because I didn't go to the main valve outside. I shut it off in my basement. So I will see y'all later. I'll give y'all an update. Alright, bye for now. Good morning. Hello, hello, hello to whoever's gonna be watching this video. So this morning is the day, the next day after I had fixed the plumbing from last night. I'm looking and there are no more drips. Do y'all hear any? Nope. So that concludes my video. I ended up fixing it and I didn't have to replace anything. So I'm pretty happy about that. And my plumbing job was successful. So yeah, that's just one problem I fixed. So if y'all like this video, make sure you give me a comment and a thumbs up, and let me know if y'all enjoy me fixing things around my house. I don't, but you know, for the sake of recording and entertaining you guys and putting a smile on your face, I'll do it. So until next time, bye.